today we will be testing the candlestick channels indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the candlestick channels indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 53 different strategies, with 15 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 746 indicators, with 298 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 8 different strategies, or I'm sorry, 8 different indicators, with 4 of them maintaining the winning status, the best one a 64% win rate. Now, keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. All right, so today's indicator is the candlestick channels indicator, and you can see it here on screen. And so basically what we have is an upper channel and a lower channel, and they are given the coloration here with a green on top and a red on bottom. And so the price action being within the upper channel or the lower channel is going to dictate whether or not we are looking for longs or we are looking for shorts. And the basic of this, the basic kind of foundation of this indicator is that it is picking up candlestick formations. And so these tags here, each of these tags is a different, or maybe not a different, but a candlestick pattern. And so it's designating these particular candlestick patterns and giving them these little tags, and you can hover over it to kind of see what exactly the candlestick pattern is. And so the green ones are bullish candlestick patterns. The red ones are bearish candlestick patterns. And so putting this all together, when price action is in the upper channel, the green channel, we are looking for only these green candlestick patterns for a long signal. When the price action is down in the lower part of the channel, the red part here, then we are looking for only the red candlestick patterns for a short signal. And so that's how we're going to test it today. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is a short signal. You can see that we are up here in the upper band, the green band here, or the green channel. Then we pick up a long candlestick pattern right here. And so we would have entered on the close of that candle here, and immediately we got a push to the downside. Let me measure out this wick just to... yeah, the wick didn't quite get us there. And so we pretty much immediately roll over and start to push down there, which does come down and stop us out. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so the next signal that we pick up is a short signal. We are down here in the red zone, the sell zone down here, and we pick up a red candlestick pattern right here, red tag, and we get a nice push to the downside there, which does get us to our take profit. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server here. So this is our Discord server. This is our Patreon only channel on the Discord server, where our patrons can kind of hang out in a private channel where we post some really great advanced information for all the patrons to take advantage of. Our admin Jay is posting some really great futures analysis, putting up charts here of the analysis and areas of interest that he is looking at, trades he might be taking. We also have Sasquatch. Sasquatch is an amazing Forex prop trader. He is posting regular market analysis where he's posting up these charts showing exactly where he might be looking at taking trades, points of interest, all kinds of information. There's tons of information you can learn by just following along with Sasquatch and Jay on these particular types of analysis that they do of the market. Another thing that we're doing is that if you are a patron of the channel, you want to reach out to either myself or Jay and have a one-on-one session, you are welcome to do that. We'll give you a little bit of free time to help answer any questions you might have or advance anything you might be working on. There's a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, back to our indicator here. Go back here, scroll back. All right, so we have the 3 trades there, and out of those 3 trades, 2 of them were winning trades. And so that is going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. I wish it gave us more trades within the 1 year's time. Definitely could be handy. I think maybe on a lower time frame, being able to designate and identify these particular candlestick patterns or candlestick formations is a really good thing. And so that might be something helpful, just having this on screen. If you are trading price action or support and resistance areas or something like that, could be beneficial to have those just easily identifiable kind of points of interest. So all in all, not a bad indicator. So it is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.